Welcome back. How to treat cough in just one day. A dry cough is also called an unproductive cough. Unlike productive, wet coughs, dry coughs are unable to remove mucus, phlegm, or irritants from your lungs or nasal passages. Dry coughs can linger for weeks after you've had a cold or the flu. They may also be caused by a number of conditions, such as postnasal drip, asthma, acid reflux or GERD. They may also be a long-lasting side effect from exposure to environmental toxins, such as cigarette smoke. Dry coughs can be very uncomfortable and may occur in both children and adults. There are a number of clinical treatments you can use to alleviate them, but there are also at-home remedies which can be just as effective in many cases. Herbs and supplements. At-home remedies for dry cough aren't one size fits all. You may have to experiment with several before you find the ones that work for you. In addition, not all of these remedies have been fully researched and proven to be effective. Some treatments are also inappropriate for babies or children. 1. Honey. For adults and children ages 1 and up, honey can be used to treat day and nighttime dry coughing. Honey has antibacterial properties and can also help to coat the throat, alleviating irritation. One study in 2007 trusted source found that honey was more successful than dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant ingredient, for reducing nagging bouts of nighttime coughing in children. You can try taking honey by the teaspoon several times daily, or add it to tea or warm water to drink. To avoid infant botulism, a rare complication which can occur in infants, never give honey to a child under 1 year old. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It may also be beneficial for several conditions, including a dry cough. Curcumin is best absorbed into the bloodstream when taken with black pepper. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper into a beverage, such as cold orange juice, to drink. You can also make it into a warm tea. Turmeric has been used trusted source to treat upper respiratory conditions, bronchitis, and asthma in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. You can get turmeric in its spice form, as well as a capsule. 3. Ginger. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has also been shown trusted source to boost the immune system and relieve pain and discomfort. Ginger can be found in many teas as an ingredient. You can also make ginger tea from ginger root by steeping the peeled or cut root in warm water. Adding honey may make it even more beneficial for dry cough. You can also take ginger in capsule form, or chew on ginger root to alleviate dry cough. 4. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a type of herb. It's used in cough syrup and in lozenges to soothe dry cough. A survey-based study trusted source found that it's an effective treatment for soothing the throat and reducing the irritation caused by dry cough. Marshmallow root may also have antibacterial properties. 5. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. This may provide pain relief and reduce the urge to cough. Peppermint also helps reduce congestion, plus, it's been found trusted source to have antibacterial and antiviral qualities. There are a number of ways to take peppermint. These include drinking peppermint tea or sucking on peppermint lozenges. Try drinking peppermint tea right before bed to help alleviate nighttime coughs. You can also use peppermint essential oil as an aromatherapy treatment. 6. A guava leaf soak is used under the condition of green leaves, where you can boil the amount of a cup of water, put the guava and leave it for 10 minutes until the extract becomes yellow in color. You can drink this infusion morning and evening, as it treats bronchitis and is considered a natural and very safe antihistamine for adults and children. Also, You can drink a teaspoon of olive oil or sesame oil on an empty stomach, which will relieve sore throats and line the stomach, and you will feel comfortable afterwards. This is a safe way for adults and children. Also, you can anoint the chest with a little olive or warm sesame oil before bed directly with heating the chest area. It is very effective, especially with infants. These are popular recipes, proven and very effective. When to see a doctor. Dry coughs can last for months and may be exhausting as well as disruptive. Dry coughs usually stop on their own. However, if your cough is accompanied by other symptoms, see your doctor. These include trouble breathing or catching your breath, wheezing, chest pain, back pain, fever, chills. Also see your doctor if your cough worsens or doesn't dissipate completely in 2 months. Do not forget to support us and subscribe until you receive everything new.